In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bend an object in Blender using the simple deform modifier. Whether you're just starting out or have some experience with 3D modeling, this guide will help you add a creative twist to your projects. Now, let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to open up Blender on your computer. If you haven't already installed it, Blender is a powerful open-source 3D creation suite that's available for free online. Once it's up and running, you'll see the main workspace appear in front of you. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to this software. The interface may seem a bit overwhelming at first, but it's quite user-friendly once you get the hang of it. Next, click on the object you wish to bend. If you're starting from scratch, create a new object by navigating to the Add menu at the top and selecting a basic shape like a cube or a cylinder. With an object selected, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, look to the right side of your screen and locate the Modifier Properties panel. This panel is crucial as it houses all the tools you need to modify your object in various creative ways. Click on this panel to reveal its contents. Once you're inside the Modifier Properties, click on Add Modifier. This action brings up a list of available modifiers that can be applied to your object. Modifiers are non-destructive effects that allow you to make changes without permanently altering your original 3D model. Here, you'll find modifiers for everything from simple adjustments to more complex transformations. In the drop-down menu, find and click on Deform. This category contains several options that can modify the shape of your object in interesting ways. Among these, you'll spot Simple Deform. Select this option and you'll be adding a powerful tool to your creative arsenal. Now that you have the Simple Deform modifier applied, it's time to focus on its settings. Within the Simple Deform settings, you'll see an option named Bend. Click on Bend to activate the bending functionality. This allows you to curve your object along an axis. You can adjust the bending angle by clicking and dragging the angle bar. This intuitive control lets you see the effect in real time, providing instant feedback as you bend your object to the desired angle. Feel free to play around until you're satisfied with the result. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully bent an object in Blender using the simple deform modifier. Experiment with different angles and objects to create unique shapes and forms. Thanks for joining the tutorial today. I hope you found it helpful.